Are you a cow? Face off.
I'm wondering how long it's going to take him to get tired.
Well, Cupid's been relaxing like pretty much all day.
So she needed this, huh? Yeah, Rue didn't have a walk today, so this will be helpful.
Now she has white fur too, Cupid.
Only because she rubbed off on her. Can't see the black fur on Rue. Baby. Each got a cheek.
Ooh, the leg now. Dirty fighting, dirty fighting. What, are you guys done? Hi. Hi there. Oh.
They would be a real sight for together being black and white. You
How are
know?
we doing?
They're fine.
They'd be such
Having
a
fun. Yeah, they're going to go home and crash.
full sleep well tonight.